So hello everyone, my name is Prashant, so welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about the question paper of the Mathematics 1. So in the first semester everyone is afraid about the examination, so let me be very clear that the maths is going to be easiest for you when you are going to just solve all the things that is given out to you in your class notes, and you have also given me assignments too, so you have to just solve them. Then you have to just solve all the PYQs whatever is there, because the maths paper is contained of 40 marks of the PYQs. So if you do the PYQs of at least 3-4 years, then definitely you are going to pass the mathematics examination very easily. If you are feeling that you can't do that, then I will suggest you to first go on through the class notes and then go to the assignments and then goes to the PYQs. PYQ is the most thing that you have to do if you are going for the mathematics examination and you are feeling that you can't do much better. So or if you want to score much, then also it is mandatory for you. So first of all, the chapter is related to the matrix. So in matrix there is important topics like orthogonal mat, what is orthogonal matrix, finding the normal form, and Cayley-Hamilton theorem is also there. So these are the important topics. As you can see here also on the screen, that these questions has been repeatedly asked. So like here Cayley Hamilton is there. So this is the important topic which I want to convey to you. So let's begin. You have to just see the questions and you can solve it out to your own end. As you can see, this paper is of 4 years back, so this is quite also not relevant because so much syllabus has changed. So you can see that there is Green's theorem. So Green's theorem is important, you can see. And this is also been taught to you in the classes also. Like consistency of a matrix, you can see this is also taught. For the matrix A, determine the matrix M such that m to the power m inverse and am is a diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix has also been taught to you in the classes, but it is a obviously it is a of 6 marks, so definitely it is not going to come it out, but the smaller portions will come out as you can see in the previous one. So moving to the next, this type of proving is always there. You can see that we have also proved this proving in the classes also. So I will just say to you, just focus on the questions which have been given to you, like this question: find the center of a center of gravity of a rectangular parallelepiped bounded by planes. This question is quite familiar and similar, that has been repeatedly asked, so you can focus on this also. Next is yeah, divergence and curl finding is very important. So I will just say to you that yeah, you have to just solve these questions also. Gauss divergence is a most famous theorem, and definitely they are going to just ask one question on this topic, because chapter 5 contains of this portion. So definitely this will be there in your examination paper also. Let's move on. So this is the paper of 2021-22. So this is the important one that is for you all. So there is question what I have said to you. Orthogonal is important, so this is the important one, and rank is there. And this question, that find the value of the lambda using this equation, you can do it. And characteristic roots of a unitary matrix of a unit modulus. These are optional questions, so whatever you would like, you or whatever the command is there with you, you can solve this and express this as a linear polynomial in M where M is this, so you can solve this and find the eigenvector for the matrix. I will just say to you that first of all, just read the question and just think out that which question is going to take a little time, and then solve the problems, because it will be if you are choosing the one question and you are not getting the answer, and then you are going for the or option after a while, then it will waste your time. So mathematics is all about how you manage your time and how efficiently you reach on the questions. Okay, so moving on the second chapter, definitely second chapter is what I have said to you, that this question is important, that there is a value of phi, and this proving has been asked always in expansion form. So this is a fixed formula, you have to just practice on it, and definitely you can crack it. and this portion I think is eliminated from this chapter, so you need not to worry about that. You haven't read that. Okay. So next, chapter 3 is there. Yeah, definitely this question is important, that you are given U and B, U values, and then you have to find out and evaluate this portion. And you can do it definitely, because you know when you practice all these questions, you are definitely going to crack this question. And next one is, yeah, Taylor series expansion is very much important. So you need to practice at least two, three, four questions from the class notes, and that is given in the assignment. And double integration, evaluate the double integration. You have to know how to integrate integrate how to do it. You can practice one two questions here also. So this is the important one. From my perspective, I have seen this type of questions, and as definitely I have said to you that Gauss divergence is the one of the teacher's favorite question, from which they ask the question definitely. Like they ask for cubes, they ask for cuboid planes. These are the questions, and Stokes theorem is there. So you need to know how to find the curl, how to find the divergence, and what is Stokes theorem, and how to apply Gauss divergence theorem. So this is the important topics for the fifth chapter, and you can practice this, because you know there is not a lots of sets of questions. So definitely what happens that after 3 or 4 years they repeat the questions. Moving to the next one, so we have a paper of 2022 and 23. So here you can say that we have a question related to characteristic equation. This question was definitely asked in the previous year also, in the 2021. And eigenvector is also there. So these are the things that I want to say, that these have been repeated. And this is the find the inverse of a matrix. You have been doing this in class 12th also, so this will be going to be easier for you. Rank of the matrix, you can see this question was asked in the previous year of 2020. So these questions has been repeated, means I would not say that the same value has been repeated, but it might be that value may also get repeated, everything may get repeated, but the question that this topic is being touched by the examiner is definitely going to happen. So focus on these orthogonal. I think this time they may ask for orthogonal also, so do it at your own. And same question has been there also. I was saying that in chapter 2 they give the value of I, and they ask for proving this through expansions. So you need to definitely focus on this. You might see that these questions have been similar, because this question has been asked in the previous year also, then the just behind year also. So this might repeat also in the next chapter 3. So you have been also given the u value and v value, then show that u and v are functionally related, and find the relationship. This is one of the important question that might ask. And Lagrange's method of multipliers is also asked for rectangular parallelepiped. So these questions, I think that the most important portion is you have to practice on the u and b portion, that and u and v is given, and you have to show that they are functionally related. In chapter 3 you can prepare on it, so you can definitely get one question from this. And talking about the next portion, I have said that double integration is important. This has been asked for 2 years, so definitely you can practice one or two questions, three, four questions. You can ask, just have a question from the PYQ and assignments, that how double integration question has been framed, and definitely you can get one question and you can solve. At least I will suggest you to steps or step marking is very clear, so you need to approach the question. You have to write in a proper format, that this has been given. Suppose you are not able to reach out the and answer, that definitely means that you are not going to get 0 marks, but definitely you will get some marks, because you have approached a little, and you are not able to solve the question because of the some steps has been not able to solve by you. So definitely try to solve the questions, and attempt each and every question is important. Next, So I have said to you that Green's theorem and Gauss divergence is the most famous. It has been repeatedly asked for the 3 years, as you can see the last 3 years papers has been very clear to you that Gauss divergence theorem has been always been there, and Green's theorem is there, Stokes theorem is there. These are the important things, so you can definitely go for it because Gauss divergence is something that is the favorite for the teachers. Now talking about the 2023 paper, that is, and you can see inverse is there. Inverse was in the previous year also, so inverse is there, you can see here. And you can say Calle Hamilton, that I was talking about, in that the Calle Hamilton has been asked in the 2020th also, and eigen is the eigen is the only question that is coming for 4 years, so you can definitely go for it. And I think the this question has come out here because this might be given in the assignments also, that assignment, because sometimes they changes the assignment, so they suffer the question through the assignments also, so that might have been happened. And topic about the next chapter, that is chapter 2. You can see that there is a y value, and here you have to see the same thing is there, that you have to verify the same way. So definitely you can try for the questions that are asked in the 4 years, and you can also practice on the things that has been given to you in the assignments. So definitely you can solve the most of the question from chapter 2 also. And this is the expansion form that has been given. So this is all, this is the important topic of chapter 3, that how to do the expansion. You can just also try to find out how Lagrange's theorem is there and how it works, and you can try to solve 2 3 questions. And this portion I was talking, that you are given the value of u and v, and you have to show that u and v are functionally related. So definitely this can be asked, definitely this can be a good question. You can just try 2 3 4 questions that has been in the previous year, that has been in an assignment, that has been in your city. So definitely you can have a good marks here out. The chapter 3, double integration, is the one of the major topic that has been always covered in this chapter, you can see. So I will say to you that solve at least 4 5 questions, so that you can have a good approach of how to solving all these questions, and you have a good practice also. And talking about the next